So before the Delaware Riverkeeper Network, or really anyone, can challenge the PennEast Pipeline Project, they have to submit a rehearing request to the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission. And the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission has to respond to that rehearing request with a yes or no. What FERC does is it uses a legal loophole, a technical strategy that it has created to prevent it from having to actually say yes or no to the rehearing requests that the Delaware Riverkeeper Network and others have submitted, and instead they issue something called a tolling order. The issuance of a tolling order in response to a rehearing request has placed the Delaware Riverkeeper Network and others into legal limbo, preventing us from actually being able to challenge the PennEast Pipeline Project, despite the fact that the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission is allowing the pipeline company to have the power of eminent domain, and despite the fact that it is highly likely that PennEast, as has happened with other pipeline projects, will at some point request the ability to begin with elements of construction while this tolling order legal limbo situation is outstanding. What the Delaware Riverkeeper Network has done is filed a couple of challenges. In addition to the legal challenges that we already have against the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission for their biased decision-making and against the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania for having issued a critical approval to the PennEast Pipeline Project, what we have filed now is something called a Writ of Mandamus. That would be, if we were successful, it would be a requirement that FERC respond affirmatively, yes or no, to our rehearing request, releasing us from this legal limbo. At the same time, we have actually also filed a challenge to the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission's approval of the PennEast Pipeline Project, despite the fact that we have this tolling order outstanding, in the hope that through our litigation and demonstrating to the court the absurdity of this tolling order legal limbo situation, that our case will in fact be allowed to proceed.